mga kataps, welcome to Balik Alondog workout, and today we're gonna question a few people here in Pound for Pound, and we're gonna ask them their name, their likes and dislikes of the workout, and how long they have been here at Pound for Pound. So let's ask first the coach, and yeah. Sa 6 years mo at 9 months, bakit wala ka pang girl?
Walang.
Ano? Pangalan mo?
Jomar.
Lakasan mo naman.
Jomar!
Ano ang likes at dislikes na workout mo? Likes at dislikes na workout.
Burpees.
Ano yan? Dislikes?
Dislike.
Dislike mo, yung like na workout mo.
Like.
Ano yan? Just workout? Meron ba?
I'm James D.I. and pag 3 months naman siguro
3 months?
sa Pound, pero partial like MWF na
MWF?
Perdagan siya pag-ups. Ang pinaka, dili na akong ganahan kay burpees.
Burpees?
Kaya
Ano
kapoy kayo. Ay, ako dili pinakaganahan. Ako pinakaganahan kay step up.
Step up? Sumaganahan?
Ay, dali.
Jang.
Ha?
Jang. Jang.
Jam. Okay, jam.
Ano sa man? Likes?
Likes and dislikes na workout.
Hate na ko ang high knees.
Chinese?
Pwede Bisaya? Ang ganahan ko sa squats.
Squats? Wow, ganahan ko ito burpees.
No! Hate po na ako ang burpees, by the way. Char.
So, how long?
3 months. Jomar, 3 months na may dari, no?
So, 3 months, adri, wa siya kabalo. Wa siya kabalo.
Wala na na-feel. Marag gahapon ako nag-start.
Ano ba? Pajanos, magdali! Okay, pangalan.
Jan lang.
Jan na?
Jan! Jan! Oh, Jan. Oh, Janos!
Likes and dislikes na workout. Dislikes first.
Dislikes, burpees of course.
And likes?
Ang likes, I like squat. Tuwad-tuwad, mag-get.
Pinapahiyas mo.
Wala mo! Copycat!
Sige, push up na lang.
Tuwad-tuwad, ganun.
Push up with rotation.
Wow!
Push up with rotation.
So,
Planky, ganun po planky.
how long you been here?
Yeah, I've been staying here for 3 months. Same with Jan.
Wow.
Thank
Then
you.
Monday to Friday?
Yeah, Monday to Friday, but usually weekends we don't go here. But there are days na dili kita workout. Especially tomorrow kay payday. So magkaon sa amin, cheat day. Yan ay mga days na cheat days.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello Tops, my name is Jim, and I like all the core workout, and I dislike the burpees. I think all people here dislike burpees. I don't have a choice but to do the burpees, and I've been here for almost 2 months now. So yeah. Alright, those are just the few people I've asked, and there's a lot of them, and yeah, we have just finished the workout today, and those people that I have asked are now going home, and me, I'll just finish this abs and core workout, and I'm done. So Kadush, see you in the next video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Kadush.